Hey, everybody. I'm DJ Wright. I'm a wealth advisor and portfolio manager for Financial Freedom Wealth Management Group, and I'm here for your Financial Tip Tuesday. Today, we're going to talk about value versus growth investing. So, these are terms to define different types of stocks. You may have heard them thrown around, especially the last few years. Every stock out there is either a value stock or a growth stock. So, we're going to explain the difference here. Value investors look for bargains. So they attempt to find stocks that are considered to be trading below the value, the fair value of that company. So if they consider a stock to be underpriced, well, it's an opportunity to buy that stock. Some people, if they think it's overpriced, then they could sell it. Once they purchase a stock, value investors seek to ride the price upward as it returns to its fair market value, right? So think undervalued, you got a value investor that's going to go buy it. So a value stock means it's generally a well-established company. Usually they're going to be turning a profit, and a lot of value stocks are going to be paying dividends as well, which is their form of sharing, their way to share their profits with their investors. Not always, but generally. So on the other side, we have growth stocks and growth investors. So they're using today's information to identify tomorrow's strongest stocks, right? They're thinking into the future. They're looking for those winners or stocks of companies within industries that are expected to experience substantial growth. Growth investors are more concerned about whether a company is exhibiting behavior that suggests it will be one of tomorrow's leaders. So they're not worried about what's happening today, they're worried about what could happen in the future. So a lot of growth stocks, they are not paying a dividend. They're generally reinvesting in themselves. They're really trying to grow. They may not even be turning a profit, right? Not all growth stocks. They could be losing money, but they're in an industry that's thought to be, the future. And so growth investors are going to love that stock because it has the potential for growth. So value and growth investing are two different strategies. It can be a pretty hot topic of debate between investors. You've got some people who are all in on value, value stocks all the way. You've got some that are all in on growth, and they can be pretty feisty as to what, their beliefs and why they feel the way they do about value versus growth. Which one is the right one? Generally, you want to have some of both. But come and talk to us. We can help explain. We can take a look at your portfolios and make sure that you're not missing something there, because a well-diversified portfolio has everything. Again, I'm DJ Financial Freedom, and I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. Thanks.